Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily unlink your EA accounts on Steam. Let's begin. First, you actually need to log into the website in the official ea.com. Then log into your account. You can click over this section and then sign in. So once you have successfully signed in, click on account details, and then it will actually ask you to go to your email and then enter the code that was sent to you. Once done, here, this is going to be your account settings. Just make sure to click on connected accounts. Then you will see all link accounts from Steam, Discord, PlayStation, Xbox, Twitch. So for example, this, I have my Google and Steam account linked. So it will be very basic and simple. You just need to click on unlink on the right side right over here. And then you just need to confirm yes, and then you're good to go. Now, if you want to relink the same accounts, you might actually need to wait around 30 days before you can do that. They do have some strict policies, but this policy might change from time to time. So this is the easiest and quickest way you can unlink your Steam to EA and vice versa. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.